Garmin PowerCord Echo Series. Supply power to your Echo Series fishfinder with our 6 feet, 1.8 meters, 4-pin cable. We make products that are engineered on the inside for life on the outside. We do this so our customers can make the most of the time they spend pursuing their passions. Compatible devices: Echo 100, 101, 150, 151, 151 DV, 200, 201, 201 DV, 300C, 301C, 301 DV, 501C, 550C, 551C, 551 DV, 500C. Top reviews from the United States. Garmin Power Cable. We bought this power cable, it works great. Garmin is a trusted brand name, has awesome quality products.